Alrighty, my friends, let's jump right into the National Hurricane Center's update from 2 p.m. on Thursday, September 4th. Now, we are looking at Invest 91L, and Invest is an area under investigation by the National Hurricane Center for potential cyclonic development. And we can see that it is red. There's a high chance of development, 90% chance over the next 7 days, and a medium 60% chance of development in the next 48 hours. Now, this system, interestingly and notably, has the cone of uncertainty is trending closer, definitely, to the Caribbean islands. And it actually mentions here in the update that the Lesser Antilles and the Leeward Islands need to watch this very, very closely for next week. I am on St. Croix, Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico. We all need to watch this because there's still a lot of uncertainty of where this system could go. But that's the latest update from 2 p.m. Now let's take a look at the infrared satellite imagery from tropicaltidbits.com. This area here out by around 35 west longitude is what we're watching for development that could intensify into tropical storm or ultimately Hurricane Gabrielle, the 7th named cyclone of the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. It's moving very slowly to the west. It doesn't even look like it's moving much at all, but it is gradually getting across the main development region. Where is this going to go? That's a great question. There's a lot of uncertainty. Let's take a look at a couple of the ensemble models. Here we are seeing the 12 Zulu time updates from the GEPS tracks, and this is taking a little bit northeast of the islands. But if we take a look over at the GEFS is the U.S. model ensembles, it's even closer to the northeastern Caribbean, not far from the Virgin Islands, and actually this one is the most recent ensemble run, and it's really taken it right across the Caribbean here. So still a lot of uncertainty, but there is more certainty that it may affect land, and that is significant because yesterday on Wednesday, it didn't necessarily look like it was going to affect land. It may not affect land, anything can happen, but it is trending toward the Caribbean islands, the forecast models anyway. Now, I do want to show you here, this is really interesting. Let's take a look at the European models, the ensemble run. This is courtesy of Weather Nerds. This is the 12 Zulu time run. Here we go, all these low pressure little L's. I mean, look, this is just going right across the Lesser Antilles up by here near us in the Virgin Islands, close to Puerto Rico. So, it's important to note that this is trending in that direction. If we take a look at the global forecast system ensembles, also initialized at 12 Zulu time, we can see that the little L's, the storm is coming across, and it is not as bullish as the European model, but still taking this into the Caribbean, affecting possibly certain areas of land. Where it goes beyond the Caribbean islands is still really, really difficult to ascertain because it's just so far into the future. If we look at the Google DeepMind AI model, which has been significantly, it's been a very, very great tool, it's been consistently very, very helpful this season. We can also see that it is taking it into the Caribbean and across one of the models is here taking it right across at St. Croix. So, and then we have more waves behind this Gabrielle, what will become Gabrielle. So a lot is happening, and what is really important to keep in mind, my friends, is that this is the height of hurricane season. So it's not, September 10th is the climatological peak. So this is when we really have to be, watching things incredibly closely. If you haven't taken time yet to be prepared and, get your supplies ready, now is the time to do it. We still have about a week until this system, if it does get itself together and move toward the islands, we have some time. So just prepare regardless. It's so important. I will be here in the Virgin Islands throughout hurricane season, and I'll keep you posted on everything. Maybe we won't get anything, but maybe we will. So it's better to be prepared, over prepared than under prepared. So my friends, you stay safe out there. Hit subscribe if you enjoyed this video, please. And as always, I will keep an eye on the tropical skies come rain or shine.